AdCreative AI. Are your ad campaigns burning through budget without delivering real results? Are you tired of spending hours designing ads only to guess which one will work? What if you could instantly generate dozens of high-converting ad creatives and know which ones are most likely to perform well before you even launch the campaign? That is exactly what AdCreative AI offers. This AI-powered platform automates the creation of professional ad designs and predicts their performance to help marketers save time and money. You can upload your brand assets, input your messaging, and within minutes, the platform produces ready-to-use ads optimized for platforms like Google Ads, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. One standout feature is predictive performance scoring. Each ad creative receives a simple traffic light rating, green for high potential, yellow for average, and red for low, based on proven engagement data and design patterns. This means you can focus on the ads most likely to deliver results instead of wasting spend on weak performers. AdCreative AI also makes A/B testing effortless. With multivariate outputs, you can run structured tests at scale without manually designing multiple ad versions. Its integration with major ad platforms allows seamless deployment, while real-time analytics give you instant feedback and actionable tips to refine your campaigns. Even if you are working with a team, collaboration is easy. Multiple users can manage campaigns, review creative suggestions, and make quick adjustments together. While customization is somewhat limited compared to traditional tools like Figma, the trade-off is speed, efficiency, and data-driven confidence in your ad choices. AdCreative AI is perfect for agencies managing multiple clients, e-commerce businesses creating seasonal ads, or marketers aiming to scale campaigns quickly without compromising quality. Call to action. Stop wasting budget on guesswork. Try AdCreative AI today and start creating ads that convert smarter and faster.